Hello there. Welcome to Skillier. In this video, we will see what is the definition of a product team in Agile. Let us first define Agile methodology. In the Agile methodology, product teams are responsible for developing a product or service while meeting deadlines and ensuring customer satisfaction. Agile product teams make sure that whatever they are working on is delivered in an efficient way. In this video, we will explore the definition of an Agile product team and how it works. So now let's see what is Agile product team means. An Agile product team is made up of members with different roles and backgrounds. This includes developers, designers, project managers, business analysts, testers, and other professionals. It is important to note that all members of the team have equal say in decision-making when it comes to the product being developed or serviced. Working together allows them to identify any problems or risks quickly and effectively, allowing for a successful end result. Product teams work together during each iteration of development, which typically lasts 2 weeks at a time. During each iteration, or sprint, the team works on tasks that align with their goals for that period of time. At the end of each sprint, the team evaluates their progress and makes adjustments accordingly before beginning a new sprint. This process helps ensure that everyone is on track and progressing towards completing their goals as efficiently as possible. Each member of the product team also has specific responsibilities within the overall goal at hand. For example, developers are responsible for coding and building out features, designers create user interfaces, project managers ensure timelines are met, business analysts assess data points, testers make sure everything functions correctly, etc. Each team member contributes to achieving success and makes sure everyone's efforts come together in an effective way to complete the goal set forth by stakeholders in an efficient manner. The Agile product team plays a key role in development projects because it ensures that everyone involved is working towards achieving success together as efficiently as possible by taking into account all aspects involved with creating a successful product or service from start to finish, including timeline management, coding requirements, design elements, data analysis, testing procedures, etc., all while meeting customer satisfaction standards along the way. Ultimately, having a well-rounded Agile product team makes all these tasks more manageable and increases chances for success significantly. So, that's all about Agile product team. I hope these tips help you understand what a product team does in Agile. Are you interested in Agile and Scrum? Come explore our videos to learn more. Let your friends, colleagues, and followers know what we have to offer. Show us some support by subscribing our channel and liking our video. Also, hit that bell icon to get new video updates. You won't want to miss out on what's next. Visit Skillier.com for more information.